Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to a great Friday here at Perry Elementary. So it's great to have all your smiling faces and a wonderful first week of school that we actually had. So today is August 23rd of 2019, and here are the morning announcements. Starting next week, we will do our birthday announcements, so we will do those always for that current day. And sometimes if we have a lot over the weekend, we will make a special announcement for those too, a day before or day after. Lunch choices for today, we have pepperoni or cheese pizza. Could be either one. I'm not sure which one it's going to be today. We have chicken parmesan sandwich and then sun butter and jelly sandwich. So 2 sandwiches and a pizza. And today our paws are sponsored by 4th grade students and Ms. Folt's class.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause, so please make sure you're paying special attention to what they have to say for today for our pause.
Don't talk out of turn. Only listen to your teachers. Make sure you're behaving in class.
All great things. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much for those suggestions for our pause for today. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you very much. And one other announcement, I forgot to make a special one for this, is starting next Friday, we will bring back a very popular Riddle of the Week. So we will bring back the Riddle of the Week next Friday. So you'll have a chance to be one of the first ones to answer the riddle, and you get a prize for the day if you're one of the first 3 to give me the correct answer. So that will be starting next Friday. At this time, let's please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everybody have a wonderful day today. It is Friday, so let's finish out this week on a high note. Let's make sure that we're staying positive at all times and doing our best. Everyone have a wonderful day.